I thought that after the 12 rounds, I won the fight. Like my analysis, like I won 8-4. That's my analysis for the fight. But the thing is, I'm surprised with the announcement. It's draw. So I did my best in the ring, you know.
Manny Pacquiao dismayado sa resulta laban kay Mario Barrios. Kung bago lang kayo dito sa aking YouTube channel, huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe at pindutin niyo na rin ang notification bell para ma-notify kayo sa ating susunod na video. Maraming salamat. Welcome back to Philippine Celebrity Broadcast. Nauwi nga sa majority draw ang laban sa pagitan ni dating 8 Division World Champion Manny Pacquiao at Mario Barrios na ginanap sa MGM Grand Arena ngayong araw na Linggo, July 20, 2025. Isa nga sa tatlong judge ang nagbigay ng 115-113 pabor kay reigning WBC welterweight champion Mario Barrios, habang ang dalawang judge naman ay parihong nagbigay ng 114-114 sa dalawang mandirigma sa ring. Sa katatapos nga na ginawang press conference ay diretsahang inamin ni 8 Division World Champion Manny Pacquiao na kung saan majority sa mga nakapanood sa nasabing laban ay pabor sa komento ni Manny Pacquiao.
I thought that after the 12 rounds, I won the fight. Like my analysis, like I won 8-4. That's my analysis for the fight. But the thing is, I'm surprised with the announcement. It's draw.
Kita mo nga sa round 1 pa lang ay ipinamalas agad ni Manny Pacquiao ang isang left hook na tumama sa tiyan ng kalaban. Dito naman sa ikatlong round ay dalawang solid punch ang pinakawalan ni Manny Pacquiao na tumama sa ulo ni Mario Barrios. Kita mo nga dito sa pang-anim na round ay muling tinamaan sa tiyan ang kalaban na kung mapansin mo ay parang umangat pa ang katawan sa sobrang lakas ng suntok na tumama.
Crowd in this arena. And you heard me as well when he landed that left hand. Landed on the arms of Barrios, but yeah, he said, because yes, these first 2-3 rounds, we're going to get some sense of confidence for him to come in and do something like that. Open up and then land a quick, sharp uppercut. So he believes and hopes.
Barrios has a 4-inch reach advantage, but he's 6.5-inch height advantage. That's the tallest opponent at 6 foot even that Manny has yet to face.
The right uppercut, now a left uppercut from Mario Barrios. Getting more confident. And that means that Manny Pacquiao will start to open up and get caught by shots like that right.
That's a big part of it, the footwork to exit. That's why he looks so, let's just say it, old against Ugas. And that was a much younger version of Pacquiao.
A nice body shot there with the lead left hand.
Not much power on it, but a guy called Barrios not ready for it.
This was some really good Pacquiao, but got time to close for Barrios.
At sa pangwalo hanggang sa huling round, makikita mo na parehong sunod-sunod ang pinakawalan ni Manny Pacquiao na suntok na diretso tumama sa mukha na nagpayanig sa Mexican fighter na si Barrios. Para sa highlights ng video ng sagupaan, narito ating panoorin ang video.
This is a close fight.
Unbelievable that we're here at this point in his career. Unbelievable that Manny's still here at this point in this fight.
And he's competitive and taking the lead in round number 8 as a 10-second clap sounds, and Manny Pacquiao, just like old times, getting the crowd on their feet. Big round for Manny Pacquiao. Guys, let's just let the people take us home here.
Ladies and gentlemen, after 12 rounds of action, we go to the scorecards. Judge at the ringside, Max DeLuca, scores the bout 115 to 113 in favor of Mario Barrios. Judges at ringside, Steve Weisfeld and Tim Cheatham, both score the bout 114 to 114. The decision is a majority draw. And of course, in that case, the champion retains his title.
Hanggang dito na lang muna ang ating video, at kung nagustuhan nyo, huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe at pindutin nyo na rin ang notification bell para ma-notify kayo sa ating susunod na video. Maraming salamat!